Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit different kind of smoky eye makeup. It's pretty easy to recreate this look. It also complement on every skin color. So let's get started. Taking this fluffy blending brush by Morphe brushes and this magenta shade from one and only Morphe Exchanges eyeshadow palette. Applying it to the crease of my eye. Here I am applying shade gradually. Because of applying by this technique, you can see that the color of my shade will be more pigmented. Onto the other eye. Following the same method, this brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking this black eyeshadow, applying it to the lower half of my lid and dragging it in upward direction. Same on the other eye. Making sure that my eye makeup is even and well balanced and well blended. This brush is also from Morphe brushes, applying the same magenta shade over black shade and blending it as well. This brush is from drugstore. Taking this baby pink kind of shade, blending the dark edges of the magenta shade. Back and forth, sometimes in circular motion. This is the main method of blending. Onto the other eye. Blending, blending, blending. This is the main key to achieve any eye-catching eye makeup. This brush is also from drugstore. Taking this shimmery blue from UCANBE Spotlight palette and applying it to my lid. Wow, how pigmented this shade is. I haven't used any water or setting spray. Onto the other eye. Blending the crease again. This mascara is from RIMMEL Cosmetics and applying it to my lashes. This short smudger brush is from BH Cosmetics and applying this blue shade on my lower lash line and smoking out it as well. This kohl pencil is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics and applying on my water. This brush is from drugstore. Taking this sparkly shade from BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighting Palette, highlighting my brow bone and inner corner of my eye. So this is the complete look. Hope you will all like it. Let me know in the comments below if you like this look or recreate some of my looks. I love to know your feedback. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.